Hiya, me and baby girl just arrived at the Thatcham Lakes Discovery Centre, and we're going to try the short loop around the lake and see what it's like accessibility wise with a pushchair. She's currently having a little nap, so I'm sure she'll be happy enough to have a little walk this afternoon. Let's get started. At the beginning of the walk. From this point on, I'm going to be recording how far it is. It's not that far around the lake, but if you're particularly energized or a little further on in your recovery after pregnancy, then you might want to go around 2 or 3 times. And also there's some more walks you can do further than that outside of the lake, but this is good for pushchairs, and the other terrain can get a bit muddy as it's around some other lakes that aren't as well surfaced. So let's give it a go. Right, we're setting off now. Here we go. It's a lovely sunny day, and it's almost the end of the school holidays, so it will be quite a lot quieter around here soon. In the meantime, I can hear quite a lot of kids playing in the play area, so if you've got older kids, it's a great place to come to because there's loads of play equipment. You do need a changing area. There is one inside here, as well as a little cafe, I believe, and also some activities from time to time, which makes it a great place to come as a family. Probably tell from me holding my phone on my buggy, the terrain is a little bumpy, so I would recommend that if you've got a pushchair that has suspension, that is a good start. I'm going to have to turn mine on in a minute because it's quite a lot of ruts, so I'm going to need to stabilise the front of the pushchair, although baby girl is getting a nice massage, but it's a little harder to push the pram one-handed when it's so bumpy, and it's literally just rocks and bits on the floor, but other than that, it is surfaced. It could probably just use a little going over. Now after I walk around the lakes in Thatcham. The route was about 0.6 miles, so again quite short. It should take you between 15 minutes and half an hour depending on whether you sit down and feed the ducks. So yeah, it was pretty okay terrain, but it was a bit rubbly, so make sure you've got a good hardy pushchair if you're going to go around this one. It's not tarmac the whole way round, it is sort of rubbly track, so just keep that in mind if you're coming with your pushchair. But yeah, overall pretty good walk, especially if you're just recovering from pregnancy and labour.